students and institutions well. I welcome you, sir, and believe that you will be definitely making these young generation a good doctor. We will support you, sir. Thank you. I wish to introduce to you Dr. Pramod Kumar. Dr. Pramod Kumar, he is the pediatrician, but he is the very good academician as well as very good doctor. He is the medical director of this United Medicity Hospital. He will be equally involved with you, all the students, in teaching as well as in hospital, because a good hospital is must for medical students. He has assured us and you also that you will be getting a good hospital, and with your active participation, the hospital will become the best hospital in this area and sometimes in the country also. I wish to introduce to you two of such functionaries who have supported us from day one. Our advisors, Dr. Karthikeya Sharma ji. Dr. Karthikeya Sharma, as you know, is a very senior neurosurgeon. He is our family member. He is our friend, brother, and he has guided us in all the areas wherever we needed. Thank you, sir, and we welcome you on behalf of United Group. I wish to introduce to you Dr. Suresh Trivedi. Dr. Suresh Trivedi is again our family member, family friend, and a leader at par. He is a very good organizer, very good planner, very good thinker, and he has contributed in the development of these institutions. Welcome you, sir. Welcome. I wish to introduce you a few of our senior doctors and faculty here. Dr. Anil Kumar Lavania, please rise. Brigadier Lavania, he has a very excellent record in the army as well as in this medical field for the last 10-15 years. He is in the medical field and is a wonderful known professor for physiology. We welcome you, Dr. Lavania. Physiology. I wish to introduce to you Dr. Geeta Jaiswal. You might be thinking, you have already known much about him. I will not describe. The students will understand when they will go to her class, and she is a professor of biochemistry. I welcome you, Dr. Geeta Jaiswal. I introduce to you Dr. Ghanshyam Dwivedi. He is the professor in anatomy. He is also a very experienced person. And thank you, Dr. Ghanshyam Dwivedi, for your presence. I wish to introduce, I will be introducing to only few persons, the leaders. Dr. C.M. Pandey, Department of Pediatrics. He is also a known figure in the city at least, and other places also. He is with us in the Department of Pediatrics. Welcome you, sir. Dr. Alok Chandra, Department of Tuberculosis and Respiratory Diseases. Welcome you, sir. He is a leading person, and with these leaders, we are committed to give our students the best academic atmosphere. Dr. Siddharth, he is a very senior surgeon from this place. He is associated with this from day one. Perhaps he is not here at the moment. I wish to introduce to you Dr. Urvashi. Dr. Urvashi, okay, she is the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. I wish to introduce to you the head of Department of Anesthesiology, Dr. Arun Kumar Gupta. These are few such cases who have shown confidence in United and assured United that they will take the best development of the students. Although I have a big team that will take a long time, but I wish to introduce to you few such persons who are very prominent and are committed. I wish to introduce to you Dr. Abhishek Sachdeva. He is a very senior cardiologist He has come from Delhi especially to join these institutions, and his commitment is par excellence. I thank you and welcome you, Dr. Abhishek. I wish to introduce to you Dr. Pranay Bhushan Pandey. He is also our younger brother and of course a very senior orthopedics, and he is equally dedicated for all of you. A long list is with me, but I will not. But I will tell you that we have very senior and dedicated professionals, medical professionals, to make yourself a good doctor. At this juncture, I do not want to miss the leaders who have made the United Group. I told you we have 10,000 students. They are in various institutions of United. I just want to briefly introduce them to you also, because they are the leaders who have made the United students fly all over the world. Yes, when I say so, I mean this, because the United students are placed all over the world. You name the country, some of your students, your alumni, if you want to accept them as your alumni, they are there. All the countries of the world, I can guarantee. I wish to introduce to our Chief Advisor of Academics, Dr. Professor L.M. Srivastava. With a vast experience in India and abroad, he is guiding our all educational institution. Sir, I welcome you and thank you for your support for making the United student fly so high. Professor K.S. Dubey, he is principal of our United College of Engineering Management. He is a background from BHU and a very dedicated academician.
BHU.
I wish to introduce to you Professor H.P. Shukla. He is a very senior researcher with a background of many years of research, and he is leading our institutions, United College of Engineering and Research. Sir, welcome you. I wish to introduce to you Professor K.K. Malviya. Professor K.K. Malviya, he is not here. Okay. He is principal of our management institution, MBA College. I wish to introduce a person with a dual personality, dual role. Professor Alok Mukherjee, principal of United Institute of Pharmacy. I tell you, sir, here that our pharmacy college is one of the top colleges of Uttar Pradesh. We are leaders in pharmacy. We are the first preferred institution in pharmacy admissions and all that. I told he is a dual role here. He is guardian of one of our students who has taken admission here this year in MBBS. I wish to introduce the principal of our United Institute of Technology, Professor Sanjay Srivastava. Sanjay ji, where are you? He is here. You can believe, you can understand that instead of sitting, he prefers always on toes. Professor Sanjay, I welcome you to this family in this occasion. Friends, I have already taken much time, much more than allotted to me, but I thought this is the right time when you must be introduced to all of them. Once again, I give you commitment on behalf of United family, on behalf of Gulati family, and on behalf of all the principals, faculty, teachers, staff, hospital staff, college staff, on all behalf, I will commit you that we will try to give you the best atmosphere, best education here. With this, something is important is there to be added here. I just want to introduce to you the members of Gulati family, with the leaders of our next generation. Vinkesh, please, you all please come here so that we can save time. Vinkesh Gulati, the next generation leader, eldest son of our family. Rishi Gulati, you will be surprised that the young man is the president of Federation of All India Dealers Association of the country. Apex